Okay then, here we go. Here's a quick video on how to upload a picture to Thimble and then to add it to your website. Now, the first thing you need to make sure you do is have the picture saved to your computer. So if I just click out of shot, here's my folder. I've got 3 pictures of Alfie ready to go. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload this one and this one. So let's go back to Thimble. If you watched my previous video, you'll know that I've used tables to organize my work, and I've done a little bit more extra here. I've done some writing and kind of put where I want to put, showing you where I want to put my pictures and my writing. Now, this is not like Microsoft Word. You can't upload or insert the picture and then drag it and drop it in and then resize it. You've got to do all of this by writing HTML code. But the first thing we need to do is we need to upload the pictures. You click on the plus sign, you then go to upload. You can drag your picture in here. Please don't take a selfie, but you want to click on from your computer. It'll take you to your location. Click on your first picture and click on open, or double click, and up it goes, and you can see that's a picture of it at half its size. Let's do it for the second picture. Click on plus, upload, from your computer, click on the second one, and open it. So I've now got 2 pictures, and you'll notice, I hope, that this picture here is only 1/3 of its size, and if I'm going to put it into here, it's going to look absolutely massive. So we're going to have to go and edit this picture and change its dimensions, but we'll do that later on. Let's get it into our website first. To do that, we need to go to our index page, and we need to go to this place here where it says picture 1 in my code. You can see there it is there, so I'm just going to highlight it and delete it. So what's the code for adding in a picture? Well, it starts with a crocodile. Then you type IMG, which is short for image. Then SRC, which is short for source. It's SRC, not SCR. Then press an equals. And Thimble is really clever because it recognizes you want to add in a picture, and it says, which of the 2 would you like to add in? Well, I'm going to add in Alfie.png, so I double click on it. And you can see it's added in with quotation marks around it. If you were going to do this yourself, you have to make sure you put the quotation marks. The last thing I need to do is end the code with a crocodile. There we go. So there is my picture. Let's refresh to see how big it is. And you can see probably, if it just refreshes, it's absolutely massive. So I'm going to have to go and change that. Now, the easiest way to change it is to change its dimensions using a percentage. You can, if you want, change the dimension. See how I'm floating over here? You can, if you want, change it by the actual pixel size. But I prefer to use the width, and I'll show you why in a second. What we want to do is go after the quotation marks, press space, and then we want to type in width equals quotation marks, and then choose the percentage size. And I'm going to choose 100%. Now that sounds a little bit strange because surely I'm not changing the size, but what width 100% means is it fits the picture to the space you give it in the table, which means when I add in another picture, it will actually even out, so we should have the same spacing. So let's just click off here and press update, and you can see there's not a great deal of change. And I'm in by 100%. So I now need to go and add in my picture 2 over here. So whereabouts is it? It's over here. And I'm just going to repeat the same code. Crocodile IMG space SRC for source equals, this time choose Alfie tired, like that. Go after the quotation marks and type in width equals quotation marks 100% quotation marks. Okay, so again, it's going to fit all of the picture into the space available, and let's refresh. And there you go. Can you see that? It's just about worked. Both pictures look okay. This one looks a little bit strange. Can you see it's not quite there? And this is where you just sort of fiddle about with it till you get the right spacing and it looks better. So I'm just going to change this width here, and I'm going to take it down to 90%. Let's just see if that makes a difference. Let's refresh. Maybe just a bit too little. Let's change it to 95%. Refresh. Actually, that's not too bad at all. You can see it's pretty much in there. It doesn't matter too much that I've got my border here because I can just remove that border later on. Let's just update this so you can see. There you go. Let's just put it back because it's quite a useful guide. There we are. So that's how to add in two pictures, how to resize them using the percentage widths so they're roughly the same. And all I need to do now is put in some writing for my picture 1 and picture 2 underneath. I hope that helps.